Hey guys, welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Look what we're making today, the crumble honey bun cookie. It's all inspired by this little gadget right here. I saw it and I was like, oh, that's what CRUMBL uses. Let's get started. Start off by adding 1 cup of room temp butter to a bowl. You're gonna cream this together with a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of regular sugar, 2 eggs, and some vanilla extract as well as butter extract. This complete recipe is always listed down below, and if you're new here on my channel, I post new recipes weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. Now once everything's creamed together and you no longer see any lumps of butter, you're gonna add the flour, some cinnamon, cornstarch, which makes these cookies nice and thick and chewy, some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix it just until it's combined. We all know crumble cookies are very big, so scoop out 1/2 cup scoopfuls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. You're gonna flatten the dough balls down so they resemble a flat disc shape, and you're gonna take this swirl stamp that's been well coated in flour and gently press it into the dough. Now be sure to coat the stamp in flour before pressing it onto the next cookie so that it won't stick. You're gonna bake these for exactly 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once they're baking, you can go ahead and make the glaze. This is 3 tablespoons of butter, some powdered sugar, and of course, some honey. We're gonna whisk this together until it's melted and fully combined. And once the cookies are ready, they're still gonna be very soft in the center, so be sure to not over bake these because they will get hard once they cool. Brush the glaze on top of the warm cookie. This will set as it cools, creating the most beautiful honey bun shine. Now for the best parts, taste test time. Here's mine. And this one is CRUMBL's. Ooh, look at that. Mine first. Cheers. This tastes almost identical to a bun. The cookie inside's very bready. It has like slight notes of cinnamon. It is to die for. It's not too sweet, and it's just, it needs to be accompanied by a cup of coffee. It is like screaming for some coffee, which of course I have. If it's my day off, you know I have a big old cup. The glaze, it looks sticky, but it actually hardened. Really delicious. Now let's see CRUMBL's. Ooh, yes. This looks extremely gooey. It tastes very doughy as usual. I'm not getting really any of the honey. I taste a little bit of the cinnamon, like mine had a little cinnamon, a slight cinnamon taste. But that's about it. I just don't get any honey for some reason, but it's very gooey on the inside. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my other CRUMBL copycat videos. I'll leave the links down below in the description. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.